The reality is it's hard to pay yourself first, especially as an entrepreneur. And the even harsher truth is it's harder for Black women to pay themselves first because we're the ones that are the providers. We're the ones that are usually taking care of everyone else. So paying ourselves first is really not just about the action, but it's about the mindset, changing the mindset in order to be able to pay yourself first. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Kirsten and I am a money mindset coach for women of color, and I help women to change their mindset around money so that they can make more money and create the life that they want, living a life of financial freedom. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about the concept, pay yourself first. And this is a concept that we talked about in my money mindset group coaching and why it's kind of so difficult, and what are the barriers that are preventing us from actually paying ourselves first. So I'm going to share a little clip of the dialogue that happened in our group coaching and then give you a tip that you can use today in order to help you pay yourself first.
And I think it's always important to, to always kind of know where you want your money to go. And I think that's how people kind of get lost, or they start to overspend. It's because they're not intentional with their money. So whether you don't need to know exactly like, I'm going to give it to Charlotte, or I'm going to, pay this particular bill, but kind of knowing your intention with money is always really important. And knowing that your intention with money can be to first pay yourself. I think that's definitely very powerful.
Yay.
I agree with that. I think that's one of the things I've always struggled with throughout my life. I've heard the terminology pay yourself first. And, I think about, just creating like a savings or
from this point on, what are my goals? What are my dreams? What do I want to do? And it requires money and a money mindset and some discipline. So that discipline to continue putting myself first, which is something in our culture, that, and I don't know, I need to be the subject, not the object. So I need to be the boss, and it's okay to be the boss.
It is, because when you're
my money, it's my money. So why are you fretting over my money like that? Like, what's up with that?
Yeah, because like when you're the boss, you can just do more for others. And I think that one of the best ways to be the boss is just to lead by example. And you can't pour from an empty cup. That's just let your cup be so full that it just naturally runs over. But if you try to empty your cup, trying to fill everyone else's cup, then eventually you're not going to have anything left to give.
You resonated to the conversation that we were having in my money mindset group coaching. Comment below which takeaway, which thing stood out to you, which aha moment that you had. And if you are interested in joining my community of women who are changing their mindset around money and creating a life of wealth and freedom, then you can click the link below to my website and learn more about my group coaching. So now I want to give you 2 tips on how to start paying yourself first, how to switch that mindset. Tip number 1 is you really have to keep telling yourself that you are worthy of paying yourself first. A lot of the times we don't pay ourselves first because we don't think that we're deserving of it. We think that we have other responsibilities, that we have to take care of everyone else first. No, you deserve to pay yourself first. So you have to first convince yourself that you are worthy of it. And if you like this video, if you found it beneficial, remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more money mindset videos and also some other fun videos about dance and living abroad and things like that. The second tip is to decide what paying yourself first actually looks like and what it means to you. If you are planning to move abroad and you want to create like a financial cushion for yourself, maybe you put money aside for that. If your dream is to buy a home, maybe you're putting aside part of your income for that. You really have to decide what, to me, when I hear pay yourself first, I think about what are my dreams, and I'm putting money towards that. Some people it's savings, some people it's retirement, whatever. But you really have to decide, what does paying yourself first mean to you? And once you do that, once you have that motivation, because a lot of times we'll save money and just put it aside and then it's just kind of there, but you want to always have intentionality behind your money. In addition, Chris Bourne does a great video on paying yourself first and what that really looks like, and gives you some great strategies on how to actually do that. And click on over, I'll put the link below to Chris's video on how to strategically pay yourself first. Thanks for watching my video. I hope that you found it helpful. Again, give this video a thumbs up if you really liked it, and if you want more money mindset tips, join my newsletter, join my mailing list. I give out bi-weekly money mindset tips that are guaranteed to help you bring more money into your life. You can click the link below.